under the gears.
Alright, I got the old H.V.A.C D-Tech 3 out. This is an old school leak. I remember these ones. Who remembers the receiver soft plug? Now, I've been searching this thing, and the only place I saw some oil was on top of the receiver there. And if you remember, in the olden days, the receiver would have a soft plug. Watch this. The old receiver soft plug, right there. 430. High side leaker. I think we could fix it. I've put silver solder on those in the past. Oh yeah, she's a leaker. Pretty good size. Alright, there it is. Leak on the soft plug on top of the receiver. The old timer showed me this one. You can flow silver solder on there and seal that up until you can get a new receiver. And I'm going to do that. That, huh? I'm recovering the gas that was left in it. I'll get some flux on there and I'll silver solder that guy and we'll pressure test it. Gotta have the wire wheel attachment for your impact or for your drill. It just cleans things up so nice. Look at that. A little bit of flux, a little bit of silver solder, and we're on our way. I recovered the charge. I'm going to put back in what I recovered. Got the nitrogen going, got my bird turret on there. No leaks. That's all my soapy bubbles on there. All right, we get this thing on the vacuum pump. Let it rip.